So last year, this yard wasn't as green as it is this year, but definitely with the Electroculture atmospheric antennas, we have a lot of green. Green everywhere. As lush as can be. So over here, lots and lots of leafy greens and lots of other good stuff. We got the magnets, Electroculture Magnetoculture. Yeah, I think everything needs a magnet and an antenna. Woo! Look at these. These are huge, yo.
Right.
You think Electroculture helped these?
Yeah, they're bigger than normal.
Way bigger than normal. Looking so beautiful. This was full of radishes. Looks like some of the cover crop has taken over. Yeah, again, everywhere is lush. Everything is green. Everything is looking vigorous. Lots of healthy looking plants. Growth is lush. Another view of these babies grown in the garden. And all 4 of these beds have magnets, galvanized steel running north and south. 6 magnets are sitting at the end. They are disc magnets. All this wonderful greenery everywhere. And then over here we have just clover. And then we have a few comfrey plants, huge, rooted in the ground. Yeah, my gifted comfrey came from one of these. And then over here, just lush greenery. Next to this antenna here. With the quartz at the top. Let's see if we can get the quartz at the top. The quartz at the top. I almost forgot this comfrey over here. And that's over here next to another one. And then we have the Electroculture antenna. And then right below the antenna, we have these beds. Yeah, again, radishes should be grown in this bed. More clover. Now we're gonna go look at these beds. The squashes and the other plants that are really loving the electroculture.
The thin crust is done. Yeah, these are all hidden in here.
What do we have in this bed?
Over here?
The ones that are hidden, little squashes.
Yeah, acorn and butternut squash kind of everywhere throughout here. Like here's a huge one over here.
Let me check.
There's I don't know what's going on with the leeks too.
I know, it's almost like PM but not.
Yeah.
Oh, there's one little baby butternut. What you got, grasshopper?
Yeah. But yeah, butternut. Even growing out right here.
The cover crops is growing wild, huh?
Yeah.
Oh, you got a little one over
Little
here.
acorn coming out. There's big acorn down in here.
Yeah, it's okay if you can't see. I could see a little one in there.
There you go.
Oh yeah, beautiful.
Yeah, most of the cucumbers are. I don't think there's really any cucumbers anymore in here. They're all done.
You got a lot of good cucumbers,
Yeah.
pickling and
Yeah, made some.
garden. Those are always usually like the first ones, right? Cucumbers,
Yeah.
tomatoes,
Yeah.
lettuce. This one's with the Electroculture pyramid. What's in this bed?
Basil that's now going to seed, but I already got a ton of basil harvested. And then some little strawberry bushes down below. They're doing all right. And then some horseradish.
Okay.
There's horseradish there and there.
This one has the magnets, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's a little one that just.
It looks like a pumpkin.
Yeah. Oh, look at this one. Like we actually, like we.
It's grasshopper.
Thank you. It's not actually, it's acorn. It's like a little blue. Maybe we can use that to decorate our house until we eat it.
What's this like?
Summer, his cucumbers would always get like white spotty shit all over them, like where, yeah.
Like we're missing something in the soil.
I don't know, yeah, like probably, or like.
There's not really a companion plant for cucumbers, I don't think.
I don't think so.
Yeah, and
Check this out.
there's not like over here you got a bunch like
Yeah,
kind of
there's
starting.
habanero, jalapenos, and there's some nice peppers below. I think, yeah, there definitely are. Another jalapeno over here. Good little peppers forming. Anaheim peppers.
You wonder how The peppers like Electroculture, I think,
they
better,
seem,
huh?
They seem like they like it a lot. Thai chilies.
Oh, the Thai chilies look bomb.
And then the freaking serrano is like falling over. There's so many peppers
Oh,
on it.
yeah.
Like, just covered in peppers all below, and yeah.
You didn't add any extra, like magnesium or Epsom?
I did once we talked about that. I brought some Epsom out here for all of them, and they literally everything liked it.
It's weird, right?
The peppers.
That's where all salt growers now.
No, we're not.
I know. Epsom isn't a salt grower. This is all Electroculture, living soil, spent mushroom bags,
Right.
wood chips,
Hugo Culture.
Hugo Culture.
Not this one, but every other bed is a Hugo Culture.
Yeah, this one's straight into the ground, living root. Tomatoes, chilies. What else you got in here?
Just tomatoes and peppers.
The tomatoes are doing
The
fucking
tomatoes,
nuts.
Yeah, the tomatoes are taking over. I got like tons of varieties too. Here, let's see. I forget.
You've been shaking the bush a little.
Yeah.
It's nuts when it helps, right?
Yeah, it is.
Just a little tap tap shake.
Yeah, we got like Romas, golden boys, are they? Or golden, I can't remember.
These are good, these little oranges.
Some early girls, some Santa Marzanto or something.
Santa Marzano.
Yeah. Some beefsteak. I tried to save that sunflower, but the squirrels got at it and ate it up.
Must have been a good sunflower. The San Marzanos.
Yeah, and then lemon boys.
Lemon boys.
And golden something, I can't remember.
Damn, these tomatoes do look really freaking nice.
Thank you, man. Thank you.
Woo! Stepping on stuff. Yeah, the tomatoes look beautiful. What you been doing to these tomatoes? Can't wait to make some good sauce and salsa. Yeah, and these also have magnetic lines running north and south with magnets here somewhere. Not always visible, but somewhere possible. Oh no, these are buried. These are buried. That's what it is. Buried galvanized steel running north and south all the way to the Electro Culture atmospheric antenna or Electroculture antenna that is pointing north. Yeah, nothing but great results. Can't say that nothing did not come out successful because everything is happy, beautiful, thriving, all natural. The clovers are huge. I don't know what's going on with your yard.
I didn't plant anything in this, but I like it, and I just kept it growing. Like, I honestly kind of want to bring it inside. I think it's cool.
Yeah, like a natural little wild bush.
Yeah. It's dope. Look, there's all catnip everywhere, Jay. From like it going to seed over there, and a bunch there, some on the other side. Goose is like, yeah.
Little Goose is the kitty cat. Yeah, this is flowering everywhere. Several varieties, tomatoes, chilies. Lots of harvest past few months. Lots of good salads.